Welcome to my channel. This is a visual video for the tall coaster holder. This is the actual coaster holder itself. And I made it so that these two sides look like this and these two sides look like this, so it's kind of confusing. Maybe you can see it from the inside. Maybe it's less confusing. I don't know. I don't ever do the bottoms because you never see them. And two, I want them to sit flat and flush. But this is the design. And then what it means is you can just set your custard. You can tell I'm thinking about sweets and I can't have them because remember I'm diabetic. So some custard would be really good. Or some buttercream, icing. Anyway, so, okay. I don't know why I'm thinking about food, but here we go. So anyway, so your coaster will fit perfectly inside there and it will sit up. So that is why I call it the tall coaster holder. And then, like I said, it's stitched together, different colors. I even created a coaster to match. I have that right there. Some people like their coasters to match in a set. So here is the matching set. Well, actually there's more of these, but I only did one for this design. But I would have more in there if I had kept going and creating them. But it's just the same design. So if you want to screenshot that and create your own, it's not that hard. It's quite simple. It's just numbers. You go 1, 2, 3, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you basically do a zigzag. You go up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's why I call it the zigzag. And then of course the back. To me the back looks like music, like somebody scribbled some music lines on a machine. But yeah, that's the coaster, and then if it was sitting on a table and you walk by, that's what it would look like. Be cute. And then from up top, see what it looks like. And then, you know. And you can do some that are pink, white, pink, or you can do white, pink, white. You can do whatever color. So you can have the pink ones this way, so it completes that design. And then you can do some that are like this with the white, so that it completes this design. So it's whatever you want to do. And it's a little extra wide. I like it extra wide because I can put my remote in here too. You know, if you have your coasters, you have the remote, you're good to go. So, and you could even put your cell phone. You know, so you can have your cell phone, you can have the remote, you can have the coasters. So it is a little bit wider. So if you don't want to use it for anything other than coasters, then you don't have to make it as wide as I did. So with that being said, I appreciate your time. I'm thankful that you are here and grateful that you want to learn something new. And I want you to have a blessed day. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like the visual tutorials. I want to inspire you. You don't have to use these colors. I usually typically pick bright colors because I know that they will pop on the camera and you will be able to see them a little bit better. So I usually tend to like the brighter colors. If you have any tips, suggestions, ideas, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you want to review any video that I have created, you can go to the video section of my channel, or you can go to the community section. Sometimes I post pictures there. Sometimes I post dimensions of patterns so that you can screenshot those and print those out for yourself so that you can create exactly what I've created for you. So with that being said, have a good day. Bye.